Working of institution or not? We have completed now working of institution. From political science, we have completed working of institution. Are you hearing my voice?
Yes, sir.
We have completed, I hope. तो I hope कि economics only one chapter is left, poverty as a challenge, third chapter. In geography, running chapter only, natural vegetation. Or in political science, we have completed all chapter in political science, and history as it same. In history, we have completed all. Are you able to see the whatever we have written on the blackboard? Are you able to see or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, dear.
Sir, we see.
Acha. Okay. Chalo, let's start today's. So, dear student, yesterday we have discussed only two types of forest. In this chapter, we'll discuss five types of forest. So, yesterday we have discussed tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest. Or today we'll discuss the mountain forest, tropical thorny bushes or maybe the scrubs vegetations or mangrove forest. So rest of three forests we'll discuss today. So whatever we have discussed yesterday, I want to revise. So yesterday we have discussed the tropical evergreen forest. It completely classified on the basis of rainfall. कि which area receive the rainfall more than or over the 200 centimeter. Such forests are found like which area? Western Ghat है, Andaman Nicobar, Lakshadweep, eastern part of Himalaya like Assam. So this area receive the heavy rainfall. That's why evergreen forests are found. Later on, we have discussed about tropical deciduous forest. So tropical deciduous forest are classified into two categories. It depends on the moisture. One is the moisture means the where the rainfall 70 100 centimeter or dry deciduous. Moisture deciduous, dry deciduous. So two categories of the this vegetation we have discussed yesterday. Today we will discuss the mountain forest, tropical forest means the thorny bushes, and third one mangrove. So these three forests are classified on the basis of their area or temperature. Area means the whatever climatic conditions are required. So first we are going to discuss tropical thorn forest and scrubs means the tropical thorn forest any such area is the semi-arid zone. Semi-arid zone means the receive the rainfall approximately 70 centimeter, 50 centimeter like desert part, some part of the your Rajasthan, MP, Gujarat, UP. So such vegetations are found. This is known as the tropical thorn forest. Thorn मतलब झाड़ियाँ, you know, or what if thorny bushes are found, so which type of characteristics we can maybe write according to the vegetation. Okay, small leaves are found to conserve the water, okay, to conserve the moisture. So such vegetations is cover the 5% vegetation of overall India. पूरे इंडिया की जो नेचुरल वेजिटेशन है उसका 5% कवर बाय द ट्रॉपिकल थॉर्न फॉरेस्ट. Tropical thorn forest cover up the 5% and rainfall in that area is the 70 centimeter. 70 centimeter rainfall जहाँ पे होते हैं such forest are found mostly less than the 70 centimeter. These are found in the northern western part of country including the semi-arid area like Gujarat. Such vegetations are found Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Haryana, UP, and some part of Deccan Plateau which receive the less rainfall. Means the earlier we have discussed in climate chapter that Deccan Plateau means the Western Ghat receive the heavy rainfall, or this part of the like a Western Ghat is the too much higher compared than the Eastern Ghats. Western Ghat is higher compared than the Eastern Ghats. Like so, this part receive the heavy rainfall or this area receive the heavy rainfall, that area is the rain shadow area. Rain shadow area मतलब clouds can't cross the mountain or western Ghats. That's why this area is the drought, जिसको rain shadow area बोला जाता है according geography. So in rain shadow area, those area receive the less rainfall. So which type of vegetations are found? Thorny bushes are found. Tropical thorn forest are found in Deccan Plateau also. So semi-arid area where the thorn forest are found in semi-arid. और which type of vegetations are found? Scattered vegetation. Scattered मतलब distance पे. Suppose one thorny bushes may be in distance. यानी वो बिखरी हुई होती है, स्केट होती है. स्केट सेटलमेंट यूर स्टडी इन क्लास 7. तो स्केट मतलब बिखरी हुई, जैसे सपोज स्मॉल थॉर्नी बुशेस और मे बी फाउंड हियर लेट ऑन द गैप, देयर इज नो सच डेंस, फिर थॉर्नी बुशेस आर फाउंड लाइक दिस. तो इट फाउंड इन द स्केट. और व्हाट आर द कैटेगरी और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ सच फॉरेस्ट? दिस हैव द लॉन्ग रूट्स. लॉन्ग रूट्स मींस द टू कंजर्व द वाटर फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड. ओके, लॉन्ग रूट्स होती है, लंबी जड़ें होती है, लॉन्ग रूट्स आर फाउंड. और थिक लीव्स, पतली पत्तियां होती है, थिक लीव्स. व्हाई? टू कंजर्व द मॉइस्चर और वाटर. सिंपल है, टू कंजर्व द मॉइस्चर इन वाटर. तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट फॉरेस्ट दैट इज द वी हैव डिस्कस्ड टुडे, ट्रॉपिकल थॉर्न फॉरेस्ट. एंड इसका 5% area covered by the all India natural vegetation, 70 centimeter rainfall, and it found in semi-arid areas. Or you may be write the 2 or 3 state name like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Deccan Plateau, Haryana. Scattered vegetations are found in characteristics, you may be right, and long roots are found. Such small thorny bushes are found, those have the long roots, and thick leaves are found. Okay, of what type of wildlife are found? So you know very well in desert what type of wildlife found. जैसे wild ass, camel also found in that area, camel है, and other are found those in this forest like a tropical evergreen forest. तो in this wild ass है, horses है, tiger है, lion है, camel है. तो such wildlife are found. जैसे horses, wild ass मतलब जो जंगली गधे होते हैं, and you know camel, tiger, lion. These are the wildlife are found in tropical thorny forest. So first we have completed tropical thorn forest. Second one is the mountain forest. A mountain forest means it depends on mountain forest according to the height. A mountain forest mostly found in the mountain area. Just a minute. Okay. So mountain forest are found in the mountain area. Mountain forest found in mountain area. So such vegetation also affected by the altitudes. Altitude मतलब height. Like अगर सपोज दिस वेजिटेशन आर अफेक्टेड बाय नॉट अ रेनफॉल, ये जो माउंटेन फॉरेस्ट है इट इज नॉट अफेक्टेड बाय द रेनफॉल और क्लाइमेट, इट अफेक्टेड बाय द हाइट. सपोज हाइट इंक्रीज होगी, टेम्परेचर विल बी डिक्रीज. व्हेन हाइट इंक्रीज, टेम्परेचर विल बी डिक्रीज. ओके, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू अल्टीट्यूड्स, अल्टीट्यूड मतलब हाइट, अकॉर्डिंग टू अल्टीट्यूड्स डिफरेंट वेराइटी ऑफ वेजिटेशंस आर फाउंड. डिफरेंट वेराइटी ऑफ वेजिटेशंस आर फाउंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द अल्टीट्यूड. So our area means the in Himalayas there is the too much means in minus temperature at the top level or high latitudes. So tundra vegetations also found on Himalayas. Tundra types of vegetation mostly this found near the polar region. जहाँ polar region के पास मिलती है mostly, but हिमालय पे भी tundra vegetation मिलती है. Why tundra vegetation found in Himalaya? Due to the temperature, because all the, above the high latitude minus temperature are found, so that's why tundra vegetations also found at the Himalaya. So this mountain forest cover up the 17% overall India's natural vegetation. First वाला जो था tropical thorn forest cover up the 5%. तो बेटा ये percentage cover up आपको learn करना है कि you know what percentage cover up by the this forest, what percent cover up by the that forest. You can make the table. So mountain forest 70%, 17% India overall natural vegetations covered by the mountain forest. Mountain forest we have classified on the basis of latitude or maybe the altitude. तो ट्रॉपिकल टू टुंड्रा वेजिटेशन, यहाँ पे किस टाइप की वेजिटेशन मिलेगी? फ्रॉम द ट्रॉपिकल टू टुंड्रा, यानी ट्रॉपिकल टू टुंड्रा मीन्स व्हाट? ट्रॉपिकल टू टुंड्रा हो गया कि ट्रॉपिकल वेजिटेशन जैसी मिलती है ट्रॉपिकल एरिया, और टिल टुंड्रा वेजिटेशन मीन्स द कोल्ड एरिया। तो बिटवीन द बोथ वेराइटी ऑफ वेजिटेशंस आर फाउंड ऑन हिमालयस फ्रॉम ट्रॉपिकल टू टुंड्रा। व्हाई? ड्यू टू द हाइट इतनी है तो वहां माइनस में टेम्परेचर होता है, तो ट्रॉपिकल टाइप्स ऑफ वेजिटेशन टू टिल टुंड्रा वेजिटेशंस आर फाउंड ऑन द हिमालय। दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव रिटन this sentence. Tropical means the what are the different variety of tropical vegetations are found. So till tropical to tundra vegetations are found on the Himalaya. So according to altitudinal distribution of mountain forest, ये altitude means the height के according distribution क्या है? क्योंकि you know very well कि when we rise up or maybe the when winds or height rise up 165 meter, तो 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर विल बी डिक्रीज एट द 165 मीटर। तो फर्स्ट आता है इट इज द वेट एरिया, वेट मतलब यू नो कोल्ड एरिया। तो इन वेट एरियाज एंड 1000 to 2000 मीटर, बिटवीन द 1000 to 2000 मीटर अल्टीट्यूड, यानी 1000 to 2000 मीटर फ्रॉम द सी लेवल टू 1000 to 2000 मीटर, which type of vegetations are found? Like a oak vegetations are found. So what are the characteristics of this vegetation? Like a broad leaf trees are found. Broad leaves मतलब बड़ी पत्तियां होती है, broad leaves are found in such vegetation 1000 to 2000 meter. This is the characteristics of this vegetation. Second one is the 1500 to 3000 meter height पे जो vegetation मिलते हैं 1500 to 3000 meter, like a pine trees are found, deodar are found, silver are found. Or where these trees are found 15 to 3000 meter, what are the area? Area is the northeast Himalaya. NEH मतलब northeast Himalaya, like in Assam part or that part. Southern part of Himalaya, जो southern Himalayas है वहाँ पे भी such vegetations are found, mountain forest में in southern part of Himalaya. So these vegetations are found at the 1500 to 3000 meter, like a pine, deodar, silver, or northeast of Himalaya, south Himalayas, southern जो हिमालय है, southern हिमालय मतलब हिमालय का southern part, where the jet stream shift during the winter or summer. southern part में jet stream कब shift होती थी? During winter or summer. We have discussed na in chapter climate chapter. So when a jet stream shifted in southern part during the winter or summer, Himalaya northern part or southern part back side. Okay, so jet stream during the particular season flow in that area in northern part, and it's separated in southern part in which season we were studying?
Winter season.
Yeah?
Winter season.
No beta, winter season में तो northern part में रहता है. That's why we receive the rainfall from the Mediterranean Sea, जिसको western disturbance बोला जाता है. We were study earlier ना western disturbance. Western disturbance.
Yes, sir.
Western.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And SSH means the southern slopes of Himalaya. Southern part of the Himalaya, जिसका slope है that side. Which type of vegetations are found? Pine, deodar, silver. Okay. Last one, above 3600 meter. Above 3600 meter, which type of vegetations are found? Like alpine vegetations are found. Stubbs are found. जैसे छोटी-छोटी झाड़ियाँ, stubbs, grasses are found at the 3600 meter height पे. और grassland are found, or which those grassland are utilized by the nomadics. Nomadics, you know very well कि nomadics those people who rear the cattle, जो cattle को इनको पालते हैं, और they may be move from the one place to another in search of pasture or water or due to the climatic condition. जैसे suppose ये राय का nomadics in राजस्थान, So during the summer, they maybe move to the in such area which receive the rainfall or maybe the water available in that area or pasture available for cattle. So indeed, there are two famous nomadic castes at the Himalayan Gujar and Bakarwals. Himachal Bakarwal se Gujar from the Jammu Kashmir. So this area means the where the grassland are found. So that area used by the Bakarwals to rear their cattle. जैसे sheep रखते हैं mostly ये oats रखते हैं. So they utilize the such area or grassland. Those are found 3,600 मीटर की हाइट पे जो मिलता है. And during the cold, during the winter, they move to the northern part, means from the mountain to ground area, because too much cold area during the winter. That's why they return to the Himalayan to top part to the ground level. So such vegetations are found 3,600 meters. So when you make the 2 or 3 columns, so you able to learn mountain forest. To mountain forest totally classify on the basis of height or altitude. Height बोल सकते हो हम, altitude बोल सकते हैं. तो such vegetations are classified completely on the basis of the height, 1,000 to 2,000 meter, learn the 2 or 3 trees name or plants name. What are the characteristics? Broad leaves are found. Okay. Second one is the 1,500 to 3,000 meters. What are the characteristics of maybe the plant? Pine, deodar, silver. Where these are found? Northeast Himalaya and southern slopes of Himalaya. Third one is the 3,600 meter, where the alpine vegetations, scrubs are found, grassland are found, or which utilized by the Bakarwals and Gujars for their nomadics or for their cattle. Last one is the tundra vegetation. अब tundra vegetation, you know very well what a vegetation known as a tundra. Tundra vegetation grow in the cold area for a short period, for a 2 or 3 months. So it grows the short period at the Himalaya. So tundra vegetations also found above the 3,600 meter height पे top पे चले जाओगे. तो Himalaya natural forest और Himalaya vegetations are classified into 3 categories. अब later on we will discuss about the mountain forest. Okay, sorry, mangrove forest. We have discussed the mountain forest here. So what type of the wildlife are found at the mountain forest? So wildlife are the silvers, where tiger are found in that area. Okay. Another one, in Himalaya पे किस टाइप की wildlife मिलती है? Please, at the Himalaya.
सर याक.
यहाँ के तिब्बतियन एंटीलोप है, व्हाइट शिप है, स्पॉटेड डियर है. स्पॉटेड डियर मिलते हैं जो कोल्ड एरिया,
रैबिट.
लाइक दिस. याक, शिप, स्नो लिपियर्ड, these are the wildlife. आपको क्या करना बेटा, जस्ट इमेज करना है. जस्ट इमेज मतलब कि हिमालय एरिया है, तो हिमालय पे व्हाट टाइप ऑफ वाइल्ड लाइफ आर फाउंड. तो यू विल राइट द 2 or 3 नेम ओनली. ओके. तो वी हैव डिस्कस द माउंटेन. अब लास्ट वन आता है इज मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट. अब मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट अर्लियर वी हैव डिस्कस, आप ब्रैकेट में लिख लीजिए. मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट आल्सो नोन एज द डेल्टा फॉरेस्ट. तो डेल्टा जैसे नेम आएगा तो यू नो वेरी वेल वेयर दिस फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड मोस्टली. तो महानदी रिवर्स, कावेरी रिवर, कृष्णा रिवर डेल्टा, ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर, गंगा रिवर. तो दिस फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड ऑन द बैंक ऑफ. जस्ट अ मिनट हियर, सर कॉलिंग मी, जस्ट अ मिनट. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट, now we are going to discuss about the mangrove forest. Are you hearing my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So mangrove forest mostly found on the river of Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Mahanadi rivers, Kaveri, Krishna rivers. So these forests are found or known as the mangrove or some bird inside the water. So इस type के forest होते हैं, those are some bird inside the water like this. you have seen in the Sundarban Delta, or mostly which trees are found? Sundari trees are found. Sundari trees are found mostly. Such type of vegetation like. और these are found known as the mango forest. कहाँ मिलेंगे? डेल्टा एरिया, जो डेल्टा एरिया होता है. Like a Ganga Brahmaputra delta, Sundari trees are found here. And what type of the wildlife are found here? Like a tiger, snakes, turtles, घड़ियाल, crocodiles. क्योंकि जहाँ पे वाटर होता है वहाँ पे कैसी वाइल्ड लाइफ मिलेगी बेटा? जैसे क्रोकोडाइल्स मिलेंगे, घड़ियाल मिलेंगे, ओके, स्नेक्स मिलेंगे. तो such type of wildlife are found which can survive inside the water, जो water के अंदर भी जिंदा रह सके. So these are the three category of forest today we have discussed. Or tomorrow onwards we'll start the new topic, that is the wildlife only. So forest we have discussed already, 5 forest. First forest tropical evergreen. Second one is the tropical deciduous forest. Third category mountain forest. फोर्थ कैटेगरी मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट. और जो टुडे फर्स्ट वन जो डिस्कस किया था हमने, ट्रॉपिकल थॉर्न फॉरेस्ट, यानी फाउंड इन द सेमी एरिड जोन. ओके, so these are the 5 category of the forest we have discussed today. If you have any doubt, you maybe send the message. Tomorrow onwards we start the wildlife. So which type of wildlife found in India, bioreserve park, national parks, sanctuaries, we'll discuss in this topic. Or another one important message for class 9 to 10 student. So there is the 1 hour Zoom classes for 9 to 10th students, which will be based on the your career guideline or career counseling. Career counseling पे जो एक तुम्हारी classes होगी, और it will be, we have decided it will be held on the Sunday. Timing होगा 11 to 12 o'clock. Okay. Or topic tomorrow will announce. So please attend it for your motivational or free of cost for 1 hour only. Give your 1 hour to for your career. So thank you dear student. Have a good day. Sorry for disturbance.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
बेटा. और today I will send the notes. मैंने notes भी नहीं भेजे.